Could this hotel be one of the trendiest in London? We've just returned from a stay at the new Mason and Firth Westbourne Park Hotel, and it might even have the most amenities of any London hotel. At the end, we'll even cover how you can go to the cinema for free. So let's get to it. The hotel opened 4 weeks ago, so it's brand new. Let's start with the location. It's right on the canal. It's a 3-minute walk from Westbourne Park tube station. Notting Hill is a 12-minute walk away, and Kensington Borough is a 4-minute walk. The building is located in a residential area, very peaceful and quiet. Now the hotel isn't very well signposted, so it did take us a while to realise that the entrance is actually in a courtyard. When you first enter the hotel, you're greeted by a trendy lounge, bar and front desk. This hotel has the most amount of lounges and workspaces I've seen in any hotel before. There's a lounge and bar on the upper ground level, which is by the entrance. There's then one on the other side of the elevators, along with a terrace running next to the canal. There's the whole of the 10th floor with a couple of lounges offering amazing views across London, and they also have 2 terraces with some chairs outside. There's even a listening lounge where they run events on a regular basis. And then whilst we're on the 10th floor, there's a communal dining area with a kitchen, has a cooker, stove and dishwashers. There's also tea and coffee. The rooms don't have a coffee machine in there, so you do need to head up here to grab your cup of coffee. Now let's have a look at the room. So we booked a studio apartment. It was on the smaller size. I'd only recommend this for stays of a couple of days. However, they do offer the larger rooms, but they do cost a bit more. So when you first enter, you've got your air conditioning control and then a mirror on the right-hand side. There isn't a full-length mirror. That is the only mirror in the bedroom. So the door on the left takes you into the bathroom, and you've got a full shower unit. Inside, you've got shower gel, shampoo and conditioner, which is all of their own brand. So there's 2 different showers, a rain shower and also a handheld shower. So on the right, you've got the toilet and sink and also a vanity unit. The vanity unit's got great space for you to put your toiletries, which is brilliant as not all hotels have this amount of space. So now going to the main room. It's an open plan kitchen and bedroom. So in the kitchen, you've got the kettle on the side and a toaster underneath the sink. Then you've got a decent sized fridge. They included complimentary milk. It was oat milk, so if you want normal milk, you'd have to purchase that at the shop, and there wasn't any water inclusive. In the cupboards above, you've got all your crockery, which includes your glasses, and then also your mugs for your hot drinks. So next you've got a hob and a microwave oven, and then underneath that is your saucepans. Now the supplies in the kitchen is a little random because you've got your oil, utensils and knives and some kitchen roll, but there was no washing up liquid or sponges to wash anything up with. So next you've got the wardrobe right next to the kitchen, which has all of your coat hangers. So this is where the bedroom gets really small. So you've got 2 bedside tables with some lamps, but they're quite small. And the bed is a small double. To get outside of the bed on the other side where the window is, it's a tight squeeze. It's nice that they've provided some of the information about the hotel. Within the guest book, you can find all the different areas you can chill and explore within the hotel. And then there is also an area guide. So we had a view overlooking the courtyard, which you could mostly see from the bed. There was a TV directly opposite the bed, however it doesn't have normal channels and you have to be able to sync up your phone. So then there was a desk with a stool and also a chair and some nice artwork. All in all, we really enjoyed our stay in this room. It was light and fresh, offered lots of natural light coming in from the window. Now we're going to head to the most exciting floor, which is the lower ground. Let's start with the laundry room. It's filled with washer, dryer and ironing facilities. There is a wellness area, which is complete with a large gym offering high-tech equipment, a studio offering a range of classes, however there is a supplement if you want to attend them. A pool, a sauna and steam room is all included in your room rate. And the restaurant is also on the canal side. The menu was quite limited and a lot more posher dishes, so we spent the time eating out in Notting Hill. Finally, and my favourite thing of all about this hotel, is the cinema room. Each evening they play a unique movie at 7:30 p.m, and the best thing is it's absolutely free. So the only thing is missing is the popcorn, so make sure you grab that at the local shop. And if that wasn't enough, they run regular events, which you can find the itinerary in the elevators. So there you have it, a new modern hotel, centrally located in London at a reasonable price, £340 for 2 nights. Especially considering it's really central, we'd highly recommend it for anyone who wants to stay here to chill out in the spa or is looking for a location to work from. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out our other London videos and subscribe for any future locations. See you next time.